Cardano ADA huge news. Wall Street will push ADA price to $50 sooner than you think. Cardano co-founder tweets that Wall Street could infuse tens of trillions of dollars into the crypto space. Charles Hodgkinson, co-founder of altcoin Cardano, tweeted that the entry of the Wall Street into the crypto sector will bring in tens of trillions of dollars. Today we're going to talk about what Wall Street just revealed about Cardano. So watch the video until the end because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Our sponsor Phemex is giving away $1,000 for free to people watching this video. All you have to do is use our link below in the description to sign up for an account. I'm using Phemex daily myself, and what I love is that you don't have to complete KYC, and there are no country restrictions unlike many other platforms. Phemex also offers buying cryptocurrencies without any fees. One of the best things about Phemex is that it's extremely user-friendly, and even a non-specialist would not find it difficult to navigate through the site and start trading. Now, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 11th of April, shall we? Cardano, known as ADA. Before we begin with our topic, let's look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 15th of April, shall we? Cardano's price is currently in a bearish trend as it corrects lower after setting new all-time high at $1.33 on May 17th. The coin is down 2.5% on the day and 3% on the week. It hit support at $0.9 yesterday and it bounced off to the current trading level of $0.924. The 4-hour chart view shows that the bearish trend is likely to continue in the short term as prices remain below the moving averages. The RSI indicator is also pointing downwards, indicating that there is still room for the ADA prices to fall further. The daily chart view also supports the bearish outlook as prices have failed to sustain the rebound above the $1 level. The MACD indicator is also bearish as the signal line continues to move below the histogram. Cardano prices are likely to continue falling in the short term as the bearish trends persist. Prices may find support around $0.9, but a further decline could take it down to $0.8. Cardano price analysis for today is bearish, with ADA prices expected to retrace lower after failing to sustain the bullish movement above the $1 mark. The key support at $0.9 is under pressure, and a break below this level could see ADA prices decline to lows of $0.8. On the upside, a move above $1 would invalidate the bearish outlook and could see ADA prices rally to highs of 1.2. The current selling pressure is likely to prevail in the market and push prices to new lows. Now let's get back to the topic. After Grayscale's official announcement to go down to Cardano, a lot of people today anticipated this would usher in a wave of investment by Wall Street money institutions. According to a recent announcement from Grayscale, the organization has added Cardano to its large cap fund alongside the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The asset is now the third largest holding in the fund, with a 4.26% allocation. It's important to note that while Cardano was on the consideration list until now, its direct listing has seen the token jump above the likes of Chainlink and Bitcoin Cash, both assets that were listed long before ADA. The Grayscale development is huge for ADA, as it opens up direct access for accredited investors trying to invest in the project. Grayscale had filed for a Cardano trust back in January 2021, and presently it makes sense to add the token to its large cap funds. But why? Capital inflows were identified during the 19th of May crash. While the ESG debate was raging around Bitcoin, one which has been deemed by some as one of the reasons which caused the market dump, investors were turning their attention to proof-of-stake assets. In fact, CoinShares found that post the 19th of May crash, Cardano noted $11 million in capital inflows from institutional assets. During the same time, Bitcoin's market saw significant capital outflows of $115 million. Ergo, it can be inferred that institutions have been taking notice of the project before Grayscale and even made its accessibility clear. But Cardano's next development would possibly push it even higher. Will smart contract additions lead to high-profile partnerships? Possibly. Cardano recently released its first ever Plutus smart contract on its Alonzo testnet, and further developments will be taking place in the month of July. Adding the functionality of the smart contracts and their eventual implementation would mean that the creation of dApps would be possible on the Cardano network. The specific domain which allowed Ethereum to touch a higher valuation would be programmable on Cardano, which only increases its state of utility. Wall Street is already flocking into the space, and it wouldn't be long before they are publicly vocal about their allocation on Cardano. Now let's talk about it. Will Cardano make it to the third position again in 2022? Cardano lost its third position in September to Tether despite unleashing smart contracts and dApp features. In August 2021, Cardano's ADA token skyrocketed by 150% and became the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unfortunately, the digital token couldn't keep the crown for a longer time. Towards September, ADA lost its position to Tether and Binance Coin. Since then, Cardano's price has been on a downward trend. Although ADA has positioned itself as a major Ethereum killer, the value seems to be gloomy. Therefore, we explore Cardano's possibility to get back to its third position in 2022. Cardano began 2021 on a positive note, but towards the end of the year, it got tumbled upon major distractions that eventually affected its price. In the first 9 months of the past year, the growth took Cardano's price up by 1,400%, only to push it down by 60% in the end. At the time of writing, ADA is being traded for $1.33 with a market capitalization of $44.58 billion. Currently, Cardano is occupying 6th position in the cryptocurrency market. With decentralized applications and smart contracts on board, ADA might encounter a possible spike in 2022, which will help the token retain the third position and reach a new all-time high.